What do you do when you want to manage multiple domain names from one hosting account? It's simple. You just assign the domain name as either an add-on domain name, a parked domain, or an unassigned domain. Today, let's see how we can assign domain names as add-on, parked, or unassigned, and also change the directory of an existing add-on domain name. Start by logging into your Bluehost panel. From the menu, select Domains. This will open your Domains page. From the menu, select Assign. Once you are on the Assign Domain page, you will see two fields. Use a domain that is already associated with your account and use a domain that is not already associated with your account. If you want to assign a domain name which is already associated with your Bluehost account, use the first option. In case the domain name you want to assign is not already associated with your Bluehost account, use the second option. In both cases, the flow remains the same. For this video, we will be assigning a domain name not already associated with this Bluehost account. Type in the domain name in the text box and press Enter. This will start the owner verification process. This process may take some time. Domain verification may be done in three ways. By pointing name servers to Bluehost, by pointing the A record of the domain to the account IP, or by providing the EPP or auth code. If the domain is purchased from Bluehost, the domain is already pointing its name servers to us. If the domain is purchased from another registrar, you will need to send a request to your registrar to point the name servers to us, or point the A records of the domain to your account IP. Another way is requesting an EPP or auth code from your registrar. A text box will be present in the owner verification box. Enter your EPP or auth code here. A successful owner verification will show this message. In the next step, please choose how you would like to assign the domain. Add-on domain. This points to a different subdirectory on your account and lets you display the domain as a completely different website. Parked domain. The domain will point to the same directory as your primary domain. The parked domain will have the same website as the primary domain. Unassigned domain. The domain will not point to a website or have a dedicated folder attached. You can host a website on this domain name in the future. In this case, we will be assigning the domain as an add-on domain. This will lead us to step 4. Step 4. Choose add-on directory and subdomain. Here, you can specify a directory that you would like the add-on domain to point to. You can either choose to use an existing directory or create a new one. The subdomain field will be populated automatically. Click on the Assign this domain button. Next, you can check if the domain has been successfully assigned. This may take some time to reflect. Go to the Domains page. Here, you can see the domains that you have assigned. Log into your Bluehost panel and select Advanced from the menu. Scroll down to Aliases. And then, scroll down to the domain name whose directory you want to change. Click on Manage in the New Document Root field. Make the changes and click on Update. And that's it. You have successfully changed the directory for an existing add-on domain name.